Back in 2018, Polypipe relaunched its full traps range on the back of over £1 million of investment to make a number of changes, which I'm going to take you through in this video. Really, we spent 3 years prior to relaunching our traps in 2018 in redeveloping our traps range, and right at the start of that process, we took the decision that we wanted to get very close to the people that were installing traps and to try and understand what we needed to do with our product and what could be improved in general on traps to make the products much better to fit and give the installers, the plumbers, much more confidence in using the product as well. So we went on a fairly big journey up and down the country. We did I think 12 different market research sessions. We spoke to I think maybe 60 or 70 different plumbers, different types of plumbers, jobbing plumbers, large contracting plumbers. And we got some really good insight in these market research sessions, and there was lots of things that we'd not necessarily considered within these sessions that we were able to learn, and we applied all of this learning into our relaunched traps range. So I want to take you through some of those changes that we made and where we invested the money. One of the key areas was around the threaded nuts. So you have the threaded nut that goes onto the outlet, and then you have the threaded nut, which is a different design that goes onto the pipe. And the overwhelming feedback was from the sessions was that was around threaded nuts jumping and the problem that can have. So we redesigned our threaded nuts so that no matter how many times this nut is used and threaded, it will never jump, and it can be tightened up, and it gives the plumber that confidence. So we redesigned all the different types of nuts that we have, and every threaded nut on all our traps is brand new now. One of the other key features, which is unique to us and is something that we've patented, is the FitRight technology. So you can instantly see when you see a trap with the blue insert, you know it's a Polypipe trap. But what we found from the market research was that a lot of plumbers they like the Insertion Aid, but they don't like the fact that that these are generally part of the product. So if you have an installation where it's a pipe that's not quite round, or if it's not a plastic material, or if it's not a kite-marked pipe, they don't work with the standard insert. So you have to take a Stanley knife and you have to cut that part of the product out. With Polypipe's FitRight Insertion Aid, we've designed this part of the product so that if you do come to an installation where this won't work with plastic pipe or with the pipe that you're working with, you can just take the Insertion Aid out, and it works like a normal trap. So you're not having to tamper with the product and potentially damage that product and stop it from working. So that's a great unique feature that we've got on our traps range. Another unique feature that we added into our traps range, along with pan connectors and our push fit and push fit waste and ABS solvent weld waste, is BioCote Antimicrobial Technology. We're the only company in the UK that's got antimicrobial technology in our waste and trap systems. BioCote Antimicrobial Technology kills 99.99% of bacteria that comes into contact with any of the surface, and that technology also reduces smells and blockages within a waste system as well. It's a very, very clever technology that's unique to Polypipe. One other unique feature our traps has got is that we're the only trap in the UK that's got a Kitemarked Approval. So we have lots and lots of kite marks on our products, on our waste and soil ranges and our hot and cold systems, but we're the only company that has a kite mark on traps, and we have to put as part of the kite mark process, we have to put our traps through some fairly brutal and rigorous tests, and also we have to design the product in certain ways to allow a volume of water to pass through. So if we didn't have a kite mark, for example, we could make this product really, really small to save material, to save cost, but then you would be compromising on the in-use of this, so the trap would fill up very quickly and sinks would fill up very quickly. As part of the kite mark, we have to design the product so that it allows a certain amount of volume of water through. We also have to put it through fairly rigorous testing as well. Thermal cycling test is a fairly brutal test that this has to go through. No other product on the market has to go through that test, and that is a fairly brutal test that will fail a product very quickly if it's not been manufactured and designed correctly. And lastly, we have, with our traps range, with our 40mm bottle trap, we've partnered up with Help for Heroes charity. So every WP46 trap that we sell, 40mm bottle trap that we sell, we donate 79 pence from the sale of that trap to Help for Heroes.